If you want the appearance and quiet operation of a factory-style sway bar combined with the advantages of an adjustable sway bar on your 69 through 89 Porsche 911 series car, then Elephant Racing's factory-style hollow adjustable rear sway bar is exactly what you're looking for. Our hollow factory look sway bar is 3-position adjustable, allowing you to dial in the exact roll stiffness and understeer and oversteer characteristics you're looking for. It's also hollow, which saves weight over the solid bars of similar stiffness. At 22mm diameter, this bar is comparable to the factory 21mm Carrera solid rear bar in the softest position. Compatible with our matching 22mm rubber bushings, these fit 78 through 89 factory-style sway bar mounts and clamps. Also, pair with our adjustable drop links, which attach directly to the spring plate for compatibility with all steel and aluminum trailing arms. Available for 69 through 89 Porsche 911, 912, and 930s.